Hi, this is my enhancement 2 video where I'm taking the SQL into the program. So I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to run it. And added the Tony Stark into the client database. There he is. So I'll get the second SQL. Paste that in. When I run this is going to change the client level to 3. The next one is changing the climbing rope to nylon rope. Copy that into my SQL. Replace this. And so if we look at the inventory, the climbing rope has changed to nylon rope. We'll get the fourth one. Back to SQL. Replace this. And what this does is joins the two tables together so you can actually get the inventory matched up to the category name. So that's successful. Let's go back and get the last one. Copy that, take that over to the SQL, paste that in, run that. It's going to delete. So we'll go to inventory. We no longer have number 7, which was the Koning car, has been deleted. So that shows the SQLs. Now I'll come over here, and if you look at the connections, I made the connections page that allows us to see if things are working. So we go to run this page. I'll call a host. We go to the Acme Library Connections page, and this works. I have no errors. So we want to see if I had an error, it would take me to the 500 PHP page. So if I go back here and I'm going to change this code here, bring this in, make a little arrow up here, take that out. So if I save that, and I run now, it took me to the Acme errors page. So this shows that there's a connection there. So I think that's everything I need to show.